Now today we will start with the chamfer command in AutoCAD. Chamfer command is used to remove the sharp edges of an object. With the help of chamfer command, we can convert the sharp edges into a bevel edges. In the command line, you type chamfer or in the short form CHA. Now press enter. Now put D for the dimension or distance and press enter. Now first chamfer distance I am giving here 15 and second chamfer distance 20. Now select the vertical line and then horizontal line and see these sharp edges has converted into a bevel edges. This is your chamfer command. Again in the command line you type chamfer and then D for the distance. Now putting the distance value, first chamfer distance 15 and second chamfer distance 20, and then click the multiple option, aim for the multiple. Now you select this rectangle and see all the corner has been converted into a bevel edges. Again in the command line you type chamfer, then D for the distance, then first chamfer distance 15, then second one 20. Now you select trim option. Now select no trim. Now click first horizontal line and then vertical line, and this is your no trim option. This one is your trim option and this one is your no trim option. Again the command line you type chamfer, then distance. Now click at trim. Now select first line and second line. This is your trim option and this one is your no trim option. Now you go to the chamfer option. Now select D for the distance, then first chamfer distance 15, second one 20, and then select the P option for polyline. Now select this rectangle and see at a time all the corner has been chamfered. Again I am drawing another rectangle and then click at chamfer, then A for the angle option. Now first chamfer length I am putting here the value 22 and the chamfer angle 45. Now we press enter. Now select the horizontal line and then vertical line and see ekhane angle and distance both has been used. Again you go to the modify and then chamfer, then select A for the angle, and then aim for the multiple option. Click the rectangle and all the four corners will be converted into bevel edges. So this is your chamfer command in AutoCAD. So let's start with fillet command in AutoCAD. Fillet command is used to draw the round corner of any sharp edges. So first of all, for the fillet command, you go to the modify, then click at fillet. Now you type R for the radius. You can type radius or short form R, then press enter. Now put the radius value. I am putting the radius value here 20. Now press enter. Now you have to select the first object. I am selecting this vertical line, and then I am selecting the horizontal line, and see, this is the round corner has been created with fillet command. Again I am giving another example of fillet command. In the command line you type fillet and press enter. Now click the R for the radius, then put the radius value 22, then press enter. Then select the option trim and press enter. Again you type trim and press enter. Now select the first object. I am selecting this horizontal line of this object, and then the vertical line. So round corner has been created. Again in the command line you type F. F is a short form of fillet. Press enter. Then R for the radius, then radius value 22. Then you select the trim option. Then you press no trim. Then you select the horizontal line, then the vertical line, and see, this is the no trim option, and this one is the trim option. Again in the command line you type F, then P for the polyline option, or you can type R for the radius option, then put another value 15. I am putting here the another value 15. Then P for the polyline option. Now click enter. Now select the polyline. I am selecting this rectangle. Now see, in one time all the four corners has been trimmed. Again I am undoing this object. Again in the command line you type F. Now type R for the radius, then put the radius value 20, press enter, then choose the option trim, then again choose the value trim. Now select the option P for the polyline. Now select the rectangle, and see, at a time all the four corners has been fillet with round corner. So this is your fillet command. Next is your offset command. Offset command is used to draw the parallel lines or the concentric circle or any other object. So first of all, I am doing some circles and rectangle and straight line. Now you go to the modify toolbar, then click at offset. Now you have to put the offset distance. Here I am putting the offset distance 7 and press enter. Now select the object to offset. I want to draw the concentric circle, so I am selecting this circle, and then we have to click inside or outside of this circle. If I am clicking outside of the circle, then in outside position a concentric circle or parallel circle will be drawn. Now again I am selecting this circle and click inside to draw the inside circle, and see, by this option you can draw any number of circle or concentric circle. In the command line you type offset or in short O. Now press enter. Now put the offset distance now 9. Now select the rectangle and click outside of this rectangle, and see a parallel rectangle has been drawn outside it. To escape from this command you type or click at escape button. Again in the offset icon you click and put the distance 11. Offset distance is here now 11. Now press enter. Now select this straight line and click both sides of this circle. You can draw any number of parallel lines. To exit from this command you press escape button. So this is your offset command in AutoCAD. Next is your explode command. Explode command is used to break a object, a single entity, into a multiple entity. I am giving some example. First of all, I am drawing a rectangle and a polygon. It means pentagon. Now in the command line you type X, is the short form of explode, and press enter. Now see, if you click this object is pentagon, this object will be break into a multiple object. Now it is a single entity. Suppose if you click this pentagon, you see this is a single entity. All the 5 sides has been selected. If you click this rectangle, you see all the 4 sides has been selected. We cannot separate a single line or single side anyway. So in the command line you type X, press enter and click this pentagon and press enter. Now you can select any line of this pentagon. Now this is not a single entity, it has been break into a 5 multiple line. Similarly, this is a single entity, all the 4 sides has been selected. We cannot delete any line of this object. If we want to delete a line of this rectangle, we have to apply explode command. So in the command line you type X and press enter. Now select the rectangle, press enter. Now see, this side can be selected. Now you apply the erase command. Now select this line and press enter. See, we can delete any line of this rectangle. We can also use explode command in the hatch pattern or for the text also. I am drawing a rectangle and giving some hatch lines here, hatch pattern. See, this is the hatch pattern. Now we cannot delete any line of this hatch pattern. With the explode command we can delete any line of this hatch pattern. So in the command line you type X, press enter and select the hatch, press enter. Now you use the erase tool, select any line, press enter. See, the hatch line has been deleted. In the same way we can apply the explode tool for the text also. In the modify toolbar you can click at explode icon, select the AutoCAD tool, press enter. Now you can select any line or any option from this explode command. Next is your rotate command. With the help of rotate command you can rotate any object into a specified angle according to its base point. Base point means its fixed point of this object. So first of all you click at rotate icon in the toolbar and then select this object. Now after selection you press enter. Now click at the base point. You can click any corner of this rectangle. I am clicking this one. Now you have to specify the rotation angle. I am putting the rotation angle 45 degree. Now press enter and see rotation angle after giving the rectangle has been rotated. Again you go to the rotate option, select the object, press enter. Now click at the base point. Now I am clicking this base point. Now putting the rotation angle, here I am putting 90 degree. Now press enter. See, vertical rectangle has been rotated and it's change its position. I am deleting this rectangle and in the draw toolbar I am drawing a pentagon. Now in the command line you type RO. RO is the short form of rotate command. Now select the object. I am selecting this pentagon. Now press enter. Now click at the base point, it means any corner point. Now you can rotate this pentagon in any angle. Now I am putting this rotation angle 30 degree. Now press enter and see the position of pentagon has been changed. I am giving another example. You go to the modify, then click at rotate. This is your rotate icon. Now select the line, press enter. Now click at the base point. Now put the C, it means copy option. Now put the angle value 45 degree and see the line has been rotated and copied. The previous one was not copied, but this straight line has been copied. Again I am doing it. Click at rotate Now select the horizontal line, press enter, click the base point. Now C for the copy option, then put the angle 60 degree. The angle has been rotated. Click at the dimension toolbar and put the value of this angle. See, this is 60 degree and previous one it was 45 degree. So this is your rotate option. Next is your stretch command. With the help of stretch command we can stretch any object as per our requirement. So for the command line you type stretch, press enter. Now select the object. I am selecting this object, press enter. Now specify at the corner point, it is the base point of the object. Now we move the object. This is your stretch command. I am giving another example. This is a rectangle of length 100 mm. Go to the modify, then click at stretch. Now click the rectangle, press enter. Now click the base point. I am clicking the corner point of the rectangle. Now I want to stretch this rectangle 50 unit. So put the value at the rate 50 less than 0. Now press enter. See, this length has been changed. Now put the dimension. See, this length is now has been 150 mm. So this is your stretch command. I am giving another example. Go to the modify and then stretch. Now select this rectangle, press enter. This is the base point. Now use drag your mouse and this is your stretch option. Sometimes stretch command is used as a move command. See, go to the modify, then click at stretch. Now select the object, press enter. Now click at the base point. Now if you drag your mouse and see, the full object has been moved. So properly used to stretch command. I am undoing the object. Now go to the modify, then stretch. Now select the little portion of this object, press enter, click the corner point as a base point and drag your mouse. This is your now stretch command.